Air pollution, the invisible threat. The air we breathe is essential to life, but for many, it's becoming a luxury. Air pollution, a silent killer, threatens our health, our environment, and our future. From choking smog to toxic emissions, the consequences are devastating. Join us as we explore the invisible threat that surrounds us, air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution is the contamination of the air caused by various harmful particles entering the atmosphere. These particles affect the environment, animals, and humans in all negative course of action.
The main pollutants are particulate matter, nitrogen oxide, volatile organic compounds, and sulfur dioxide. These pollutants can cause respiratory problems, heart disease, and even cancer.
What causes air pollution? There are numbers of sources which cause air pollution. Many air pollutants today can be found at manufacturing industries and even gas-powered vehicles. Within the following slide, I will be speaking about two causes of air pollution in more depth. Transportation. An operating vehicle emits range of gases from each tailpipe into the atmosphere, one of which carbon dioxide, the principal greenhouse that contributes to climate change. Industrial factories. Industrial factories are one of the main sources that produce air pollutants. Industrial factories burn toxic materials and glass which are pumped into the environment. These materials and gases are carbon dioxide, methane, etc. Why is air pollution harmful? Air pollution is extremely hazardous not only to the environment but also to humans and animals too. Air pollution causes more death than malaria, AIDS, and HIV. The human body experiences lung damage, brain damage, and much more. The damage to the human body varies depending on air quality. An environmental risk of air pollution is acid rain. Acid rain is any form of precipitation that elevates level of hydrogen ion. Acid rain has been proven to have negative impacts on forests, soil, freshwater, insects, and aquatic life forms.
So air pollution has lots of effects, but I think the thing we worry about most is the shortening of life and reducing people's life expectancy. 40 years ago, we were thinking about this issue and began what was called the 6-City Study. And that study showed that people living in more polluted cities had shorter life expectancy through increased respiratory problems, but also through increased heart attacks, increased strokes. And as air quality has gotten better in those communities, we've seen that those people are living longer and have better health. Air pollution comes from combustion, and we're burning fuels for produce energy, to produce heat, to drive our cars. All the things we think about in terms of our day-to-day life contribute to this. And air pollution is not independent of global warming issues. The same sources that are contributing to global warming are also causing the air pollution in this country and in developing countries. When you think about the need for increased electricity, cooking and women being exposed, their children being exposed, heating using wood, crop residues, dung even, automobiles, congestion building up in these developing countries, leading to increased exposures that we see in the news all the time now. We have seen improvements in air quality over the past 40 years in the United States and Europe and other developed countries. This has been due to controls on automobile emissions, reductions in emissions from power plants and other industries, in increased fuel efficiency. And as air pollution gets better, even at these very low levels we have currently, we can see improvements in health in terms of extended life expectancy, reduced asthma attacks, reduced hospital admissions.
help to reduce air pollution. Plant trees as they filter pollutants. And instead of using gas-powered vehicle or equipment, use electric vehicles and equipment. Spread awareness. Speak up. Let's work together to reduce air pollution and create a healthier environment for ourselves and future generations. The air we breathe is essential to life, but it's becoming increasingly polluted. Air pollution harms our health, environment, and economy. We can make a difference by taking small steps, like individual actions. Use public transport, carpool, or bike to reduce vehicle emissions and promote sustainable transportation. Reduce energy consumption, like turning off the lights, electronics, and appliances to conserve energy. Plant trees and support green initiatives. Tree absorbs pollutant and reduce Plant trees and support green initiatives. Trees absorb pollutants and produce oxygen. Choose eco-friendly products. OPT for products with minimal packaging and VOCs. For collective action, support policies promoting clean energy, encourage government and businesses to invest in renewable energy sources, promote sustainable practices, share knowledge, and inspire others to adopt eco-friendly habits, and invest in clean technologies, support innovation that reduce pollution and improve air quality. And here are the benefits of reducing air pollution. Improve public health, reduce respiratory problems, cardiovascular disease, and other health issues. Environmental protection, preserve ecosystem, reduce acid rain, and mitigate climate change. Enhance quality of life, enjoy cleaner air, improve visibility, and healthier environment. Support air pollution reduction initiative. Participate in local campaign and advocacy efforts. Together, we can make a difference. By working together, we can reduce air pollution, improve public health, and protect the environment. Let's take responsibilities for our action and make conscious choices to create cleaner and healthier future. Breathe easy, live healthy.
Dong ay sidong ilay, insali-sali tumay. Dong ay sidong ilay, insali-sali tumay. Alamat, handa, rap. Marami ang nangangamba, tayo pa rin ba ang pag-asa?